Hi, welcome back to part 3. I'm just going to recap what I did because I can't remember what I said at the end of part 2, I'm afraid. I've given it another couple of coats of gesso, and I've given it one coat of acrylic so far, and at the moment all I've done is the sides, the front and the inside there because I'm running out of acrylic paint. When I put the coffee stirrers on, all I did was I got like my jar of gesso and I just put it on there to hold them down because, like I said, you can't clamp them because they're in an awkward place. So that's all I did. Ooh, it's still a bit wet. Right, so I'm on to the next bit now. I've got my foam board, which as you can see is reasonably thick. Now this is how I normally measure mending. I stick it on the bar, I stick it on there, and I think, right, how much space do I want at the side? Okay. And I want, I'm going to have to measure it now, aren't I? See what you're making me do? All these flipping numbers and everything. Yeah, so it's an inch. An inch, so I'm going to obviously do an inch on that side as well. Just turn it round a bit and mark an inch there, and then I need to see how far do I want it from the front as well, so I'm just going to do an inch as well from there so I don't have to mess around with too many numbers. Okay, that should be alright. And let's draw my line. I find it so much easier drawing a line like this. Has anybody else? Oh, look at that, that's not the same. Oh, flipping Nora. What's that? 3.5 plus 1, whatever that is. Huh. I don't know how to work it out. There we go, 3.5 plus 1 little line, whatever that is. There we go. And draw my line. The top of it, the mantle will probably end up being a bit bigger, I would imagine. I just see what it looks like when I've finished. See that? It went at an angle. Stupid thing. Oh no! That's going to have to be the back. Easily sorted. Stick it at the back. Can't be seen. And oh, I've done it again. Oh, I can't use that now. Trapped. Okay. Measurement again. I hope I don't run out of fiberboard now. Foam board, I should say. Okay. Oops. There's my half. This time, cut slowly, Tina. Can't mess this up again because otherwise I'm not going to have enough for the blooming mantle. Right. Hey, finally. Okay, right, all I'm going to do now is stick the base down, and this is just the bottom of the cardboard box inside. sticking. Okay, let's get this. I did glue on all this. Okay. That's the scruffy side, so put it down. Again, I'm just eyeballing it. No, I'm not. I'm going to be good this time. Choose the measure. So it's equal. There we go. Right, that is equal. And I'm just going to put some pressure on just to glue it all down. Okay. Right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this out now, and I think what I want to do is I'm just going to cut this side off so it's the same width actually as the bottom. Get that off. Okay. Yeah, so it's going to be the same width. I'm just probably going to do it a bit deeper so it sticks out a bit more, so it's easier for overhang with the Christmas decorations that I'm going to put on it. So let's see how much bigger it is. Now, can you see that? Now that might be a bit too big. Sorry, all I'm doing is this. No, it is. That's going to be. It's going to stick out way too much at the front. Can you see? Can you see that? If I stick that, that's just ridiculous. So I'm going to cut it to the exact same size as I did for the base. Straight. Oops, wrong side. Nearly through about it. Okay. Oh, in more. Okay. Now that's this is the best bit for me. Okay, so now just get my tacky glue, and I'm gonna just put a lot of glue on the top here now. Move the wheelchair back a bit. Oh, come on. It doesn't exactly want to come out quick. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to eyeball this, or shall I measure? Right, what I've done is I've left it, can you see? I'm leaving a little tiny bit at the back, and I want that for sort of like if I'm putting a clock on or something like that, and I think it'll just give it a bit more stability if it's got a bit of an overhang at the back. Don't ask me why, I don't know whether it'll work or not, but it just feels right. Okay, so now I'm going to let this dry and I'll be back with the next part. Thank you.